Imagine you're at a Lego party. An atom is like a single Lego block, tiny, but it builds everything around you. A bunch of the same kind of blocks, that's an element. Different elements are like different colors and shapes of Lego blocks. Put them together and you can build anything, from water to waffles. Okay, not real waffles, but you get it.
An atom is the smallest unit of matter. It has a nucleus with protons and neutrons, and electrons move around it. Atoms make up everything around us. Different atoms form elements. When atoms join, they make molecules.
The periodic table is a chart that shows all known elements in an organized way. Elements are arranged by their atomic number, which is the number of protons in an atom. It helps us understand how elements behave and how they react with each other. Similar elements are grouped in columns.